Ma- Welcome to my channel. My name is Brianna, but you can call me Bri. 2025 is so amazing because we have birthdays. And nag-birthday sila Mommy, Daddy, Tito, Tita, Wawa, and me. And nung birthday ni Mommy, after yung birthday niya ata, pumunta kami sa Ocean Park. Tapos nakita namin yung mga penguin, mga different kinds of animal, penguin, and different kinds of fishes. Ang daming fishes, nakita ko ata si Dory doon. Next naman, yung aquarium room namin, ang ganda talaga. Pagpasok ko, may malaking aquarium doon. Tapos may mga fishes. Pag natutulog kami, ang ganda tumingin. Next naman, nag-swimming kami. Ang ganda, may malaking slide. Nag-slide kami nila Daddy, kaming tatlo. Ang ganda ng slide. Tapos mag-isa lang sa slide. And next naman, pumunta kami sa Abilene Zoo. Nakita namin doon ang mga iba-ibang kinds of animals like birds, capybara, but yung capybaras, tulog siya eh. Tapos, yung birds, parang ang cute niya. Hindi ko nga alam kung nakita ko ba yung parrot dun eh. So, yeah. Tapos, in the first time, nakita ko na ang flamingo. At, tapos, ang ganda talaga nun. Ang ganda niya. And, nagpakain kami ng giraffe. Tapos, ang tangkad talaga ng giraffe. And so, like that. And super duper good news. I was praying all night. I was praying every day. And God gave us a new member. It's my baby brother. So, yeah. I wish ko na yung baby brother ko. Mayroon ako baby brother. Tapos yun, 4 na kami. Tapos, actually, mayroon na 5 kami. Kasi may aso din kami. Pangalan niya, Amber. So, like that. So, yeah. Pumunta kami ng Enchanted Kingdom. Ang ganda ng mga rides dun. May mga parang parachute na paikot-ikot. Buti nga hindi ako nahilo. Tapos, may egg rides. Ang ganda ng egg. Paikot-ikot. And we have rock rides. Hindi naman masyado nakakahilo, you know. And Christmas and New Year. Yung Christmas, ang ganda kasi nag-exchange gift kami. May mga gifts. I'm so happy with my gifts. Ang ganda, ang sarap ng mga pagkain. Tapos yung mga games kami. Yun. Nung New Year, same din naman. Pero, nagkain-kain kami. Tapos, ang ganda ng fireworks. Ang ganda talaga, parang nag-boogs. Tapos, nag-picture-picture kami. Ganon. Next naman, noong 2026, new beginning and new me. Self-grown. I wanna learn new things. Because gusto ko maging highest honor. Like that. Pero highest honor na ako dati. So, yeah. Like, birthday again. I'm so happy with my birthday. Una birthday ko, ang ganda ng birthday ko. Kumain lang kami. Ganon. Tapos, kumain kami ng cake. Nag-blow ako ng candle. And yung, sa sunod, birthday ni Daddy, January 20. So, same din. Kain-kain. Yun. Next naman, magiging birthday ni Mommy, pero wala pa siyang birthday. So, May, birthday niya. Next naman, this is good news either. My baby brother is coming on March. I'm so happy kasi pinapag-pray ko na normal siya, wala siyang sakit, wala siyang anything na basta wala siyang sakit, virus or something. And yun, I'm ending my 3rd grade level. And yun, nung I'm ending my grade my third grade level. I'm so happy because mag-grade 4 na ako. I'm so excited. So, yun. Online na ako, homeschooling, and yun. Don't homeschooling lang, and I wish I will find some new friends. And okay, gusto ko po ng more traveling, kahit staycation lang with family. And yun lang, okay lang. Gusto to be happy, ganon. Kahit swimming lang, okay lang. I will take care of my baby brother no matter what. Kahit kami lang dalawa, pagluluto ko siya for anything. I will be happy. I will enjoy the staycation, enjoy with my family. And I hope I have a good Christmas. And New Year again. And yun lang, gusto ko lang ikwento yung parang self ko. So yun, thank you to listening my channel. Bye guys!